Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mother. Let's talk about IG alarms and trips. So one of the alarm, that is deck mainline pressure low alarm, comes at 200 mm water column. Deck mainline high pressure alarm comes at 1200 mm water column. Deck mainline low alarm comes at 100 mm water column. And at this COPT will trip, as I discussed in the video. O2 content high alarm comes at 5%, O2 content high alarm comes at 8%, and this is the time when inert gas delivery stops. Are your promotions slow? Not getting the respect that you deserve on board ship? If you are a marine engineer who is looking for faster promotions and earning respect on ship, then don't worry, Merchant Navy Decoded has your back. Introducing excellence packages for every rank now. You want to learn about purifiers, compressors, electronics, automation, MEGI engines, RT-Flex, ME engines. Don't worry, we are there. Learn anytime, online, offline, whether you are on land or on board ship. Engineers who invest on upgrading themselves, they lead. What are you waiting for? Go to the description box and you will find different ranks, different excellence packages. Start investing now. Jai Mata. Fan outlet temperature high alarm at 60 degrees. Fan outlet temperature high trip, inert gas trips at 65 degrees. Deck seal pump pressure low, trip. Scrubber pump pressure low, trip. Deck seal level low, trip. Scrubber level high, trip. Control air pressure low at 4 bar, trip. So if your deck mainline pressure low alarm comes at 200 mm water column, what does that mean? Ki bhaiya inert gas is not going into the tank. Now it can be either your oxygen content is high. If it is more than 8%, it is going all to the purge control valve outside, it is not going to the tank, and your COPT is running continuously. So the oil level is decreasing and inert gas is not coming in. That is why the pressure decreasing. This is the most common level, most common thing. At that time, generally what chief officer does is he reduces the discharge rate. Says कि मैं थोड़ा oil कम भेजूंगा. So we get some time to bring the O2 content back to normal. And see, there can be tens of others problems, but I am talking about automation, giving example. Similarly, deck mainline high pressure alarm comes at 1200 mm. First thing is check whether this alarm is right or not. If it is right, simple is we stop the inert gas system. Maybe your the automation from the PLC going to the purge controller, main controller not functioning properly, and that is why even if you are sitting at the deck main pressure controller, deck main line pressure controller is say 800, but still the pressure reaching 1200. That is why this alarm is coming. So whatever the condition, you have to take the corrective action. Similarly, deck main line pressure low alarm at 100 mm. Well, frankly speaking, you should not reach this level, else the COPT will stop, it will trip, and then it will be another problem. You will have to start the plant again. So generally, O2 content is a very big problem. Generally, your O2 content is not coming down. So in such a case, you need to understand how the boiler dynamics work in case of flue gas, what is the fuel air ratio and why it is doing, and then take the corrective action, boss. When I will be making a troubleshooting package, वहाँ पर definitely मैं troubleshooting अंदर, if I am talking about inert gas, I will be talking about some of the problems that generally come. कि भैया why does the O2 content does not come down below 5%? I'll do that. O2 content high alarm at 8%, inert gas will stop. Bring it down simply. Fan outlet temperature high alarm at 60 degrees, fan outlet temperature high trip at 65 degrees centigrade. Now why this inert gas temperature is high? Maybe your purge control valve is also shut and your delivery valve is also, something has gone wrong. So there is no delivery taking place and your IG blower is just circulating like a pump with discharge valve shut. Yes, maybe your scrubber pump is not developing enough pressure, maybe the water flow is not right, maybe the flue gas coming from the boiler is not getting cooled on the scrubber tower, right? So these are a few things that I am talking about, but if this happens, there is a problem. Deck seal pump pressure low, check whether the filter is choked or whatsoever. Scrubber pump pressure low, same whether the pump is not functioning, valve not operational, or the filter choke. Deck seal level low, by see any line choke, what has gone wrong, filter choke, deck seal pump not developing pressure, important. Scrubber pump level high, see whether the overboard line is proper or not, or if there is anything, any big leakage or whatsoever. Again, last, controller pressure lows, check the controller level, check the controller pressure, and what can go wrong. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.